Have you ever watched a fruit, like an apple or orange, with a realistic human face get fed a slice of itself and then chew it with complete satisfaction? Sounds totally weird, right? But trust me, this oddly satisfying and slightly surreal trend is blowing up on YouTube and TikTok right now. Creators posting these hyper-realistic animated fruit face videos are racking up hundreds of thousands, even millions of views per video. Why? Because they're incredibly weird, oddly relaxing, and downright impossible to stop watching. The exaggerated chewing, the cartoonish expressions, the crunchy sound effects, it all hooks viewers from the very first second and keeps them watching till the end. And that's the secret to going viral. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make one of these high-retention viral videos yourself, even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure to watch this video all the way through, because I'm breaking it down from start to finish, and you don't want to miss a single step. All right, let's dive in. The first step in creating your viral fruit face video is generating detailed and creative image prompts. These prompts are what you'll use to design your fruit with a human-like face. And trust me, the more unique and expressive the prompt, the more eye-catching your final video will be. To make this super easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts specifically crafted for this niche. You can tweak them or use them to create your own custom fruit characters. The link to that Google Doc is in the video description below, so be sure to check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, that means you're serious about learning, so do me a quick favor and smash the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more creators like you who want to break into this viral niche. All right, let's dive back in. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the image prompts crafted specifically for this fruit face animation niche. Then go to your preferred AI text generator. For this tutorial, we're using ChatGPT, but you can use any tool you're comfortable with. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then tweak it and specify how many image prompts you want, whether it's 3, 5, or even 10. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of highly detailed AI-ready image prompts you can use to generate your fruit character visuals. If you're not happy with the first set of results, simply ask ChatGPT to regenerate or give you more variations. It's that easy. This step is crucial because the right prompt sets the foundation for a viral scroll-stopping video. Now that we've created our image prompts, it's time to generate the actual visuals. And for this step, we'll be using Google's ImageFX, a powerful AI image generator. Start by heading over to ImageFX and logging in with your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on Settings and make sure to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical video formats like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt you generated earlier, and paste it into the ImageFX prompt bar. Click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will deliver 4 high-quality image variations based on your prompt. Take your time to scroll through the results and choose the one that really grabs your attention. The more expressive or eye-catching, the better. Then just download it straight to your device. Now repeat this process for each image prompt you created so you end up with a full set of visuals ready for animation. These unique AI-generated fruit characters are what will make your videos stand out and keep viewers hooked. The next step is to animate our images into videos, specifically where a spoon feeds the fruit a slice of itself. For this part, we'll be using Kling AI. Head over to Kling AI and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon, then choose Image to Video to enter the animation workspace. Start by uploading the first image you want to animate. Once the image is uploaded, we'll need a video prompt to guide the animation. To get that, go back to the Google Doc and copy the video prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate custom video prompts tailored to your images. Scroll through the options and copy the video prompt of the image you're working on. Now go back to Kling AI, paste the video prompt into the input box, and make sure the sound effects option is turned on so you get that satisfying crunchy chewing sound in the final video. Click on Settings and choose Standard Mode if you're using a free plan, or Professional Mode if you're a paid user. Then select your video duration, either 5 or 10 seconds, and hit Generate. Kling AI will start animating your image based on the prompt, and in just a few moments, your fruit character will come to life in a fully animated scene. Once it's ready, preview the animation. If it looks great, go ahead and download it to your device. If it's not quite right, simply regenerate it until you get the look and movement you want. Now repeat this same process for each of your images, and soon you'll have a full set of engaging, weirdly satisfying fruit videos ready for editing and upload. The next step is getting background music for our video. You can always grab royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library, but for this video, we'll be using Suno AI. Start by opening Suno and creating an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the music creation interface. Since we want just a clean background tune without any vocals, make sure to select the instrumental option. Now we need the right music style to match the feel of our animated fruit video. To get the perfect vibe, head over to ChatGPT and ask it for a style of music perfect for our video. Then click Enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a tailored music style suggestion. Copy the suggested style, go back to Suno, paste it into the prompt box, and give your music track a title. Then hit Create, and within moments, Suno will generate 2 instrumental background tracks based on your input. Click play to preview both tracks. And once you've found the one that fits your video's mood, best go ahead and download it to your device. The final step is to bring everything together through editing, and for that, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project. Import all the animated clips you generated with Kling AI. Once they're in your timeline, click on Aspect Ratio and set it to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now stretch each clip to fully fit the frame. This will remove any unwanted borders or empty spaces around the edges. Next, let's add smooth transitions between the clips. Click on Overlay to explore a wide range of transition effects. Scroll through the options, pick one that fits the vibe of your video, and hit Apply to All to create a cohesive flow. After that, import the background music you created earlier with Suno. Drag it onto the timeline and trim any excess so it fits the length of your animation perfectly. Once all your clips and audio are in place, play the full video from start to finish to make sure everything looks polished and smooth. If you're happy with the final result, go ahead and click Export. For the best quality, increase the resolution to 4K and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tips, and drop your questions in the comments section.